What's up, benchmark beasts? Welcome back to the lab, where we pit the hottest LLMs against each other. Today, we're armed with the RTX 4070 Super, and we're diving deep into a speed and efficiency showdown. Get ready for some serious token crunching action. All right, folks, round one. We've got Qwen 2.5 7B in FP16 going head-to-head with its AWQ Int4 quantized counterpart. Holy moly, look at that difference! FP16 is chugging along at a measly 0.7 tokens per second, while the Int4 version is blazing at 50.9 tokens per second. Let's talk VRAM. The FP16 model is hogging 15.36 gigabytes, while the AWQ Int4 is sipping a cool 9.86 gigabytes. That's a massive difference. Lower VRAM usage means you can fit bigger models or run more processes simultaneously. AWQ Quantization really showing its power here. All right, the numbers don't lie. AWQ Int4 absolutely demolished FP16 in terms of tokens per second. It's not just faster, it's way more efficient, delivering incredible performance at a fraction of the VRAM cost. A clear win for Quantization.